How to use trading signals on Libertex. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once logged in, tap on the market section from the bottom bar to access all available trading instruments. Next, select the asset you want to trade, whether it's cryptocurrency, stock, or index. Tap on the chart to open detailed market analysis where you can access trading signals. These signals provide insights into market trend, potential entry and exit point, and suggested buy or sell action. You can also customize your trading signals by selecting the indicators or alerts you want to follow. This helps you make informed decisions based on your trading strategy and risk level. Always analyze the signals along with market charts and technical indicators to confirm trends before placing a trade. Once you are confident with the signals, tap buy or sell. Enter your trade amount and set stop loss or take profit levels if necessary. Your trade will now appear in the trades section where you can monitor and manage it. Now you know how to use trading signals on Libertex. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.